Okay.
Watch, man.
Here we go.
Wait, enough of the story.
Round 2.
Watch this.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Should I say something dirty?
You can say whatever you want.
No, we're gonna film it.
Darren blew that water.
I hate holding this thing here.
Come on,
it's gonna-
I'm a
Papa.
big coward.
It's gonna be a couple minutes.
Don't jump when it blows up.
Dad, I'm gonna laugh if you drop that in the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
That's gonna suck.
Watch this.
This is gonna get nasty.
It's gonna scare the shit out of him. He's like, oh.
Win or lose, we're drinking booze. He's just trying to make it. Shut up,
I can
This is how we do it in Kansas.
We're gonna film this, we're gonna have a car, we're gonna film it going up.
You're doing my baby.
Yeah, we got kidnapped.
If she ain't a winner,
Oh, damn it.
this is what we do to her.
What the hell? Come on. Come on.
Oh, it's
fucker.
smoking. You better put it on because
Yeah.
it's smoking.
This is what
Are you
retired
filming this too?
Yeah.
Why am I filming it?
Ah! We all need
Boy,
to
here we go.
Oh my God! There's the seat. There's the seat. Grab the seat.
JD, go get the seat. Can we use that? Can I recover that on AP?
Fuck yeah. I'm sure Ryan that deal.
That one is done Dundee.
Sweet. Sick, dude. Hell yeah, I got it. I got it.
Call fire department!
You see that, Ty? Thank God, a jet ski's burning. Woo!
Check this out.